How to fix NFC not working on Android. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix NFC not working on Android. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just really simple, so let's go. So just head over to your settings and then searching here for NFC. So if you won't be able to see any NFC results right here, that means your phone doesn't allow NFC. So to verify this, head over to any browser that you have and search for NFC supported phones. So when you scroll down, you can see this NFC phone list. So click on this rows right here and you should be able to see the list of the phones that supports NFC right here. So from in there, what you can do next is, if you can see your phone, then you just need to verify it. So head over to your View tab and search in here. So ask Google something like, is Realme 7, which is the brand of my phone. So just put in here the brand of your phone, support NFC. So just ask that. And then as you can see, Realme 7 is actually available on my phone, but it doesn't allow us to see or enable it on my phone. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix NFC not working on Android. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and try best to answer them. Thanks.